In this video, you will learn how to tag someone on an Instagram story without it showing. Sometimes you want to mention a friend but don't want the mention sticker to stand out. This way, your story can look cleaner and more organized. I'll guide you through simple steps to hide the mention sticker while still mentioning the person you want to tag first. Open up the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to the story creation page. You can either take a new photo or video right now or select one from your camera roll that you'd like to share. Once you have your image ready, it's time to tag someone. Tap on the sticker icon located at the top of your screen. Now look for and tap on the attention sticker option. Here you'll need to type in the username of the person you want to tag. As you start typing their username, you'll see suggestions pop up below. Simply select their name when it appears now that you've tagged them. You'll see that mention sticker displayed prominently on your story to keep it hidden from view. Tap and hold that mention sticker and drag it all the way down until it's completely off screen. This way, no one will be able to see it when they view your story. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, go ahead and post it as you normally would by tapping your story at the bottom, and just like that, you've successfully tagged someone in your Instagram story without anyone seeing their mention. So that wraps up this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below, and if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one.